Hello! In the spring, Korea's mountains have tons of azaleas. So we have a tradition that on every 3rd of March in lunar calendar, men go to a nearby stream and talk, and women go on a mountain picnic to watch spring blooming. Afterwards, women pick some azaleas and make this flour Korean pancake. It's one of the Korea's original traditions, so we've been trying to keep this in our modern culture. As part of this effort, we hold a contest to see who can make the most beautiful flour pancake every spring. So I thought it would be nice to make the flour pancake with you guys. Back in my childhood, I too went to a mountain and picked azaleas and made this food. But as you may know, the air in Korea is not as clean these days. So I prepared cultivated edible spring flowers. Please try this beautiful snack and have a beautiful day. Let's get started. These are the edible flowers. I think you might be able to get them in grocery stores near your place. It's not a common food ingredient, but some specialty grocery stores probably have them, or you can get them online. First, I'm going to soak the flowers in cool water for 10 minutes to bring them back to life. And remove them from the water carefully, getting rid of the moisture with some kitchen towels. Please make sure not to press them since the flowers have delicate petals. In a big bowl, add the glutinous rice flour and salt, and let's knead it adding hot water. We can make 8 small pieces of flour pancakes for 1 cup of glutinous rice flour. So I will first divide them like this and decorate them with flowers. If I take part in the beautiful flour pancake contest, I don't think I will get an award, but I hope you can make it beautifully and get the award. Now pour a little bit of cooking oil into the pan and cook it on very low heat. I'll flip it over when it's almost well cooked, and cook only for a few moments since the petals will wilt with too much heat. Next, please coat our pancakes with a little bit of honey. It's done. I will bring them to my mother's place and share them with my precious family. Thank you for watching, and I will see you next week. Bye!